In this video we're going to look at questions or surveys in Optimal Workshop. Okay, so going back to the dashboard, I'm going to go into Studies and then I'm going to go and click on Create Study. Under the drop down we can go down to Questions and it says here Online Surveys. So let's give it a name. So let's just do Test Survey. And we haven't got any folders set up, so that's fine, so we can create the study. Okay, I've not used this before, but let's have a look and see what options we have. So we've got a welcome screen for the study that we can customize. So we've got the heading here and we've got the message here, which is quite good. We've got some options here to toggle, edit and preview, which is quite useful. We've got a thank you screen. So again, I'm guessing we can edit and preview this thank you message, which is great. We can do a redirect URL, which I'm guessing is a paid feature. Yeah, it's for the paid plan. So when people complete the survey, they can automatically be redirected either back to your website or back to a different URL. And when the study's closed, we've got a close message as well, which is really good. And again, we can redirect participants again, but that's on the paid plan. So let's go up. So we've got a questionnaire. Okay, so we've got a preview here of an example question and some of the options here. So I guess we can close that. Okay, so participant identification. So people can be anonymous. They can enter an email address or other, I guess you can give them some other identifier. So down to survey questionnaire, let's add a question. What device do you use? Just add in an example here. So let's see what options we have. So we've got single line, multi-line, radio button, drop down, checkbox. So we've got lots of different options for the question. I'm going to do a radio button, and now if I go to options, so let's say, and if I can spell correctly, desktop, tablet, again, tablet, there we go, mobile, and let's make this, let's randomize the order, and we want to make this, I'm going to leave this as it is. I don't want to make it an optional question. I want to make it compulsory. So let's scroll up to the top. I'm just going to change that to anonymous as well. Let's go to settings. So we've got a study link here. The language is in English. You can apply some password protection when you're paying for a plan. And you've got some other functions here on the paid plan that you can automatically close the study at a certain date or after a certain amount of people have taken the survey. Okay, so let's go into design. Got a little video here on how to do it, but you can add your logo, got a social media image, you can adjust the colors, and we can change the color on the radio buttons and the checkboxes. Again, this seems to be a paid thing now, so I guess you can upgrade your plan and experiment with that. So I want to go to the next tab. Let's go to recruit. I'm going to copy this. Yeah, let's copy the preview link. Let's open a different tab. Let's paste that in. Okay, so we get our welcome screen here. Welcome to the study. Let's click on continue. Into our question that we added. As you can see, the answers are randomized as I wanted. I'm going to click submit. Go to the thank you screen, and in this case, because I haven't purchased the redirect, it's just going to sit on this screen, so I'll close the tab. So I know that works, so you can edit the URL settings, get QR codes and do different things here. So you've got social media sharing here. There's an option here within Optimal Workshop where they can recruit the participants for your study. So again, you can get a quote for that. And let's go to results. So I guess we're still in draft. Let me just click on, let's launch this. Are you ready for launch? Yep. And of course, we get some confetti come down at the top. Brilliant. Let's click on copy. Let's open a tab. Just want to submit an answer. Let's click on desktop. Right, great. So that's done. So let's go to results. Cool. So as you can see, I've just quickly filled it out once. So one person has completed the study. That's how long it took. That's where they were based. Let's go into analysis. So we get very similar to some of the other tools. Get the same filters, the same features. You can exclude this person from the results or delete them. Let's go into downloads. You can download the data. And sharing, you've got some share options under here as well. So this is the end of this video series for Optimal Workshop. It's just short and sweet, so you could see what it does and the tools that it provides. So thanks for getting to the end of this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.